How to make Chrome faster on Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can make Chrome faster on Windows. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin with the process on how we can make our Chrome faster if you are on Windows 10 or 11. First of all, launch your Chrome browser. After launching your Chrome browser, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So the next step is you just need to head over to your settings. Just go to the right side at the top right, and you can see that three dot. Just tap on it, click on it, and when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see settings. Just click on it and open up your settings. After your settings is opened up, you just need to head over to the system, and here you'll be able to see a bunch of options. Just go to this first option, and you can see make sure to turn off this option, and the option below, use graphic acceleration when available, make sure to enable this option. Make sure this option is turned on. And the next thing is go to reset settings, and you can see reset settings. Just click on it and you may reset your settings, and don't worry because bookmarks, history, and saved passports won't be affected by it. So you may just reset your settings without any hesitations and your problem should be fixed. Otherwise, you may just close your Chrome browser. But before that, let's just go to this more tool section. After going there, you just need to find extensions, or you may just directly go to extensions and go to manage extensions after that. And here you're going to look out for the extensions that are not necessary. I have seen people with more extensions. You just don't need them, so you may just remove the unnecessary extensions from your browser to make your Chrome faster. Just remove it, confirm it, and make your extensions more clear. And you're just going to open up your command prompt and type in the ncba.cpl. After that, this screen will appear on your screen. So you're just going to go to the Wi-Fi if you're connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise Ethernet, and double click on it. Just double click on your Wi-Fi. Right now I'm connected to a Wi-Fi, and head over to the properties. Just go to your properties of the Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, and you're just gonna set up your Wi-Fi here. Like set up a secondary Wi-Fi here. For that, just wait for a bit first of all, and after waiting for a bit, you'll be able to see this here. So you can see this Internet Protocol version 4. You're just gonna click on it and go to properties. After that, you'll be able to see this use the following DNS server address. You're just going to click on it, and on the first address, the preferred DNS server, you're going to type in the number 8.8.8.8 4 times, 8.8.8.8. After that, below the secondary DNS server, you're going to double 8. You're going to type in double 8 and double 4, which will make your internet faster. So just go on with that process. Just type in. After that, tap on OK and close off the tabs. Close all of the tabs, and you just need to restart your computer for once, and your problem should be fixed. Your Chrome should be faster. So therefore, just follow that process and you should be able to make your Chrome faster. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.